In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide a digital clock from appearing on the menu bar on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select where it says Menu Bar. And then on the right side, select the Clock Options button. Where it says Time, if it's set to digital, go ahead and select Analog. And that's all you have to do. Select Done to save, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.